Hello, good morning, teacher. My name is Yaretsi Martinez Castillo. The present day we will talk about the intentional torts. We are the intentional torts. Intentional torts are wrongful acts done or purpose. The person does not need to actually mean harm, but the other person ends up hurt anyway, such as in a park, and or the person can definitely mean harm, such a domestic violence case. Later, we will talk about several examples of intentional torts. Some we will comment on in class and attach new ones. For example, fraud and defamation, invasion of privacy, and trespass and conversion. I put a presentation to further explain the intentional torts. What is a tort? A tort is some kind of wrongful act that causes harm to someone else. This definition covers a wide range of actions, and the legal field of torts is split up into many different subcategories. As intentional tort example, the easiest example of an intentional tort is a punch to the face, which is referred to as batteries. In the case 1, the person intended to make a fierce and slam into victim's face. 2, the person also intended to harm the victim. Later, we will comment on the examples. Example number 1, fraud. Fraud is the legal term for lying to someone in order to succeed in a suit for fraud. Plaintiffs generally have to prove. Example number 2, defamation. Defamation is when someone calmly says something false about someone else and that like cause harm. Example number 3, invasion of privacy. The exact nature of the invasion of privacy varies by state, but there are generally 4 types of invasion of privacy. 1. Invasion of solitude, in which someone interferes with someone else's right to be left alone. Example number 4, trespass. Trespass come in 2 forms: trespass to land and trespass to chattel or personal property. In either case, trespass means using the property without the permission of the owner. And example number 5, conversion. Conversion is when some takes someone else's property and converts it to their own. In the criminal world, conversion is counted as the theft. To end, intentional torts begin with the consideration of intent. Intent is an element of each of the intentional torts, and intentional torts are wrongful act that someone plans, carries out, and is fully aware of their actions. Battery, assault, false information. Battery is the legal term for hitting someone or otherwise touching them in an offensive manner. Assault is an attempted battery of threatening injury when no battery takes place. And false information. The technical definition of false information is confinement without legal authority. And this would be all for my topic. Thanks for your attention.